I should probably look up Illinois. Maybe I'm pronouncing that wrong. That's pretty damn creepy. I never seen a Bigfoot, but it scared the crap out of that girl. Wow. The WPA was rebuilding star forts. Oh my God. I'm putting together a scouting video for my next video. It's in Vandalia, Illinois. I'm going to look up how to pronounce it so that I don't butcher it in my next video. So I'm going to paste into Google Vandalia, Illinois pronunciation. How to pronounce, oh, here's a quick YouTube video. 17 seconds. This is Vandalia, how to pronounce cities of the world. We're going to try that.
Vandalia. Vandalia.
Vandalia.
Vandalia. Vandalia.
Vandalia.
Vandalia.
Vandalia.
Vandalia.
Vandalia. Vandalia, Illinois. I should probably look up Illinois. Maybe I'm pronouncing that wrong. Okay, so I'm doing a scouting report for my next video. It's in Vandalia, Illinois. So far, the information I've got is the monument sits on the southwest corner of the old State House in Vandalia, Illinois. Originally, the monument stood at the south entrance of the former State House. For aesthetics reasons, the state moved the monument to its present location in 1939. Vandalia, Illinois served as the state capital of Illinois from 1819 to 1839. So looking up what I could find out about Vandalia, Illinois, one of the first things I discovered is that there's been some Bigfoot sightings near there. The other thing that I found in, I'm not going to remember the name now, in Vandalia, I gotta look it up every time I pronounce it. I better save that Vandalia pronunciation video.
Vandalia.
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 Alright, I'm going to save that so I don't mess it up. The other thing I found when I was looking at Vandalia, Illinois, is I found a really cool website. It's called the Star Forts of the United States. And there's not one here exactly in Vandalia, Illinois, but it's close. And so I was just going to zoom in to point that out and show you the website and the map, and if you want to check this out, you can, and see if there's any star forts that you can go check out. It'd be really cool to go look at one of these old forts. I've been to some old forts back in the day. I went to a Caribbean cruise to St. Thomas, and I saw some old forts there. It was pretty amazing to see all the big giant stonework and the cannons and that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's zoom in here. There is Vandalia up here, and then the closest one down here is this fort here. This is Fort de Chartres. That I'm gonna have to look up too, how to pronounce that. I wonder if there's a way to do that. I'm gonna do Fort de Chartres pronunciation. How to pronounce Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Chartres. So the ES, it's spelled CHARTRES. So the ES isn't S, it's A.
Fort de Chartres.
Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres. Fort de Chartres. Fort de Chartres. Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
Fort de Chartres.
I should just do this, and that would be pretty funny. I am doing my next video on
Vandalia.
Vandalia. I just let the computer talk for me.
Vandalia.
And I found a star fort at
Fort de Chartres.
Oh, that'd be pretty funny. A robot voice is thrown in there. So anyways, Chartres. Is that right? Chartres?
Fort de Chartres.
It's pretty easy. Just remember the S is Chartres. And so back to the map here. You can see where Vandalia is up here, and then the Fort de Chartres is right down here. And you click on it, and then it gives you another link you can click on here to actually look at the fort. This is pretty cool. I've never really looked at a star fort other than seeing other YouTubers talk about them. I think we'll turn on the OBS and start recording this, because this looks pretty good. But we'll move the OBS over. We'll move this over here. So we got that going. So it's on this screen right here, and the OBS is over there. Okay, so we are going to go back here, X off there. We're going to start recording. So here we are in Vandalia, Illinois, and not too far from here is Fort de Chartres. And we just click on the Fort de Chartres right here. We get a good picture of it. Look at that. Was I right or was I right? That's pretty amazing. And I'll put a link to this website underneath the video, the starforge.com. Constructed 1720, 1725, 1753 to 1756. Reconstructed 1930s and 1970s. Anytime I hear the 1930s, I wonder if it's the WPA got in there and rebuilt this fort. We'll see what it says here. Let's do a Control F and look up WPA. WPA is in here twice. Yeah. So there's a tip there. If you're ever doing research and you want to find something, you do Control F and then you type in what you're looking for. So here we did Control F. See, there it is, real clean. Now we got this. Take that off. You type in whatever you want. So we're going to do WPA. So there it is. All right, so it says here, through the 1930s, the WPA was responsible for countless new schools, roads, parks, bridges, and star forts. The WPA was rebuilding star forts. Oh my God, that's freaking awesome. Okay, now it looks like I got a really good idea what my next video is about. Now it's just a matter of sitting down and doing all the work.